Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will cover very important social science PYQs with answers. These questions are directly asked in CTET, TET, KVS, SSSB and all teaching exams. So let's start the session without wasting any time. Question number 1. Which of the following dance forms were recognized as classical forms of dance after India's independence? Option A. Bihu, Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi and Manipur. Option 2. Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi, Kuchipudi and Manipuri. Option 3. Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Odissi, Bhangra, Kuchipudi and Manipuri. Option 4. Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Bhangra, Odissi, Kuchipudi and Kathakali. Answer is 2. Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi, Kuchipudi and Manipuri. India officially recognized 6 classical dance: Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathikali, Odissi, Kuchipudi and Manipuri. Bihu and Bhangra are folk dances. Question number 2. Consider the following statement about the Mansabari system. A statement. The term Mansabdar refers to an individual who held a position. B. It was a guarding system used to fix a rank, salary and military responsibilities. Option A. Both A and B are true. Option B. Both A and B are false. Option C. A is true but B is false. Option D. A is false but B is true. Answer is E. A. Both A and B are true. Mansabdars were Mughal officers whose rank, salary and military duties were fixed under this system. Question number 3. What was the name of revenue system introduced by Todaramal? A. Option 1. Ekta. Option B. Zabti. Option C. Jagir. Option 4. Mansab. Answer is 2. Zabti. Todaramal introduced the Zabti system by measuring land and fixing a fair revenue amount. Question number 4. Consider the following statements regarding Mehergarh. A. Mehergarh was the place where people learned to grow rice and maize for the first time. B. The bones of deer, sheep and goats were also found in Mehergarh. C. Mehergarh house were square or rectangular in size. Options 1. A and B. Option B. Option 2. B and C. Option 3. A and C. Option 4. Only A. Answer is 2. B and C. Mehergarh people grew wheat and barley, not rice and maize. Animals' bones are rectangular houses were found. Question number 5. By the early 20th century, Indian women were working for reforms in Option A. Widow remarriage. B. Female suffrage. C. Better health care. Choose correct option. 1. Only A and B. 2. Only A and C. 3. Only B and C. 4. A, B, C. Answer is A, B, C. Widow remarriage, female suffrage and C. Better health care. Women actively fought for widows' rights, voting rights and better health care facilities. Question number 6. Who composed this Marathi dual hymn? You made us low caste, why don't you face that face, great Lord? Our whole life left over food to eat. You should be ashamed of this? A. चोखा मेळा, B. कर्मा मेळा, B. मीराबाई, C. भोसावन्ना. Answer is A. चोखा मेळा. चोखा मेळा, a bhakti sant from Maharashtra, wrote about caste discrimination. Question number 7. Consider the following statement on challenging the caste system. A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy translate an old Buddhist text that was critical of caste. B. The Prarthana Samaj believed in equality of all caste. C. The Pranahams Madali was founded in 1816 to work for the abolition of a caste. Choose the correct statement. 1. A and B, 2. B and C, 3. Only B, and 4. Only A. Answer is 2. B and C. Prarthana Samaj and Prahamas Madali supports caste equality. The statement about Raja Ram Mohan Roy is incorrect. Question number 8. The Harappas were master craftsmen and processed knowledge of dash dash mentally. Option 1 copper, option B bronze, B C iron, 4 brass. Answer is A. 1 copper. Harappas mainly used copper and brown. Iron was used much later in India. Question number 9. Read the statement carefully about the first Singh Shabas. A. Forms a Lohra in 1873 at the Amritsar in 1879. B. Soaped to ride Sikhims and superstitions and caste distinctions. Choose the correct options. 1. Both A and B are true. B. Both A and B are false. 3. A is true but B is false. 4. A is false but B is true. Answer is A. 1. Both A and B are true. The Singh Sabha movement aimed to reform Sikh practice and purely religious. Question number 10. In the 17th century, Mesopotamia was a center of insect activity, and it lay on the delta of which river? 1. Kaveri, B. Godavari, 3. Krishna, 4. Hugli. Answer is 3. Krishna. Masulipatam port was located on the Krishna River delta. Thank you for watching this video. If these social science PYQs helped you, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Comment below. See you in the next class. Thank you.